What's up, people of YouTube? Good morning from Guwahati. So I came to a place for packers and movers. So I just I'm just moving my bike from here to directly to Chennai, so to my brother's place. So yeah, everything is done because it's here, and packers and movers is Uber. I'll just record the bike, what are all the damage and all. I'll just have a record of it, and yeah, that's it. I'll just give the bike to him. So yes, I came to this people's godown. So I've parked my vehicle over here inside the godown. So I'll be leaving my vehicle here. Evening they'll pack the vehicle and they'll send me, they'll send me the pictures. Evening I'll be making the payment. Just now we have taken off the petrol from the bike. So we'll be leaving the bike over here in Guwahati. If my friends are not there, it will be a really big challenge for me to do all this stuff. But with my friends help, this is possible. And right now I'm leaving my bike here, and for next 3 days you'll be seeing me on 4-wheeler though. So right now we are on the streets of Guwahati. So because of yesterday's accident, my laptop charger, it also got damaged. So I've got a new laptop charger, and I need to get a new trekking bag as well. So I am searching for a trekking bag, but right now we are going to have lunch. Streets of Guwahati. We have reached to have our lunch. So this is Mast Punjabi Dhaba in Guwahati. So I'll taste the food. My friends are having chicken biryani. We have ordered one chicken biryani, one veg biryani, and one some soup also. They are telling that biryani is famous over here, in this Mast Punjabi. So I'll taste it, and I'll update it to you people. Let's see how it tastes. So yeah, we finished our lunch. So biryani is not that good. It's fine. Frankly speaking, biryani is okay. And one more thing is, actually today plan is we have to go to Dwaki Lake in Meghalaya. So but still we are in Guwahati because of I need to send my bike to Chennai, right? So so that is why we are still in Guwahati. Right now the time is somewhere around 4:20. And right now we are heading towards Shillong. Tomorrow we are planning to go to double-decker road bridge. We have changed the plan, in fact. So today is 31st night. So, and a big shout out to my friends. They helped me a lot. It would have been very hard for me to do it by my own self. So thanks to my friends. So in 3, 2, 1, we are in Meghalaya. Successfully we have entered Meghalaya from Assam. So for next 3 to 4 days we'll be traveling in Meghalaya. So again on 3rd I booked my flight. I booked my return flight from here to Chennai. So I'll be leaving to Chennai on 3rd. So today, keep packing my bike and sending it through movers and packers, and I'll see. By the time I upload this video, my bike will be back at my place. So I'll see, how he packed and moved it, how he delivered it. So based on that, I'll give the rating, so that it's there in couple of cities also. So, and delivers bikes and cars also. So I'll give you the rating at that time when I get my bike. So yes, we have reached Shillong. So today we'll be staying in Shillong, and we have booked a hotel room in Shillong. I thought it will be okay, climate will be fine, but here also the temperature is, it's in single digits. So right now the temperature is somewhere around 8 degrees. So see, it's too cold. Here the problem is we have booked rooms for 5 people, and we have booked 2 rooms. So this is the first time we are facing the problem, and this is hotel Barbaric.in in Meghalaya in Shillong. Next time onwards, whenever you people wanted to book a room, so this room comes in a very cheap price, and the rooms are very bad, and the service is worst, literally worst. So make sure you do not book room in here. Okay? If he's trying to figure it out something. If you figure it out something, then let's see, or else I'll just update you. Ultimately, we got the room for this is got some king. He told these 2 beds are king size, but these are not. But the thing is, he talked with us, one guy who is maintaining this hotel. So he came and he requested, he's the only one who is talking very politely, and he's like, sir, I'll do something karke. So ultimately he have given us this kind of a big room. They call this one as a big room, it seems. So no space for anything else. There are just 2 cots and 1 way to walk and 1 bathroom. That's it. Okay, so and that's waste of money. So but yeah, he literally requested us. So we were like, somewhere we need to stay, and in this chilly weather, right, we can't go out and book one more hotel. So that is not the case. So staff is very, very bad, literally worst, not bad, worst. It's just worst. So do not ever book this room. Mama? Barbaric in Hotel Barbaric. Do not book this hotel in Meghalaya, Shillong. Okay. So just be very careful, and if possible, you people come very early to Meghalaya, and search for hotel from yourself. You can just take the buffer time of 2 to 3 hours and reach here early, and you can search for hotels. And I think that is a better option in Meghalaya, because while we are traveling on the roads also, people are kind of acting weird. So I don't think so it's a good option to book your hotel online in Shillong, in Shillong. So just be very careful. I don't know, most of the people are facing problem, because after that also some of the people, they didn't get rooms, and outside people also, while our car is on the road, people are shouting, and they are running behind our car. Here manager is also telling some people are kind of weird. So just be very careful, bolke. And that too, today is 31st, right? So people are literally drunk. So when you come to Shillong, if you're planning to stay in Shillong, just come see the hotel, then you can just decide where to stay and all. So that is my personal suggestion. I don't know if you people have went to Shillong and you might have some best experiences. That's completely fine. But this is what my experience is. I just wanted to share it with you people. So that's all for today. We are we are ordering food. So we'll eat and we'll sleep off, and tomorrow we'll be going to double decker route bridge. And so yeah, stay tuned then. So that's all for today. If you like this video, please give a thumbs up and please subscribe to my channel and share it across. So I just need one thing, your support. So just stay tuned guys. Tata, bye bye, peace.